G'day guys, my name's Chris, this is Blake. Welcome to the first episode of Lads Workshop. This here is our 1985 Toyota Bundera, and in this build series you're going to see us take this thing right back for a good clean, get it refurbed and get it back out onto the tracks. What do you say, mate? Should we get stuck into it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
We'll start with some of the photos from when Dad first went out to have a look at the Bundera. The left rear tyre was dead flat and the car was really dusty, as you'll see in the photos. The car has only done 200,000 kilometers, and other than some rust in the rear quarters, it's almost rust free. It even came with the original logbooks. A couple cool features are that the top halves of the door frames can be removed and the windscreen even folds down too. Within the time it was parked up for 2 years, Bob replaced a whole heap of parts and the bits he took off came with the car as spares. This is me and Dad's excited face when we're going to buy another car. The car trailer behind the car is also one of Dad's favourite views. I wonder why. The carport at the top of the driveway is where the Bundera sat for 2 years. After a quick tyre change, we pushed it down the hill and got it loaded onto the car trailer to make our way home. Our Bundera is a factory ragtop model, meaning it came as a convertible from the production line. Another cool feature is the Bundera is a coil spring all round, giving a smooth ride quality compared to the RJ70s and the 74s. The previous owner, Bob, was pretty careful with storing the rear windows and the soft top assembly. Receiving those was a big score for us because they would be pretty hard to find without breaking the budget on our build. First things first, we unloaded the extra parts and began giving it a good pressure clean to remove years of dust. In the end, the paint became up pretty good. Using a damp cloth, we gave the dash a quick wipe. Then we got to just see how good the condition of the dash really was.
So day 2, we're back on the Cruiser. Today we're going to try and get it running. Blakey, what are we going to do?
We're going to be reinstalling the carby and fixing up all the fuel lines because the previous owner tried to fix it and didn't finish it.
Alright mate, let's get stuck into it, eh?
The carby had been partially removed by the owner's son while he was trying to determine a fuel issue. So basically, I'm cleaning the carby because the carby that we had, that we bought, was wrong. And let's get to it. However, he must have realised the carby wasn't the cause because he later diagnosed a problem with the fuel tank. Tightening up the accelerator brackets.
Alright, and that's for what, the accelerator cable, and what does that accelerator cable do?
It allows us to rev the engine from the pedal.
Alright, good stuff. Alright, go time. We got the fire extinguisher on hand, ready to roll. We got our makeshift fuel tank down there. Blake, you ready to go?
Yeah. We've got the fuel tank connected and now we're going to see if it runs on its own. Well, it's been a pretty successful couple of days. We managed to accomplish a fair bit and it was good to hear the engine running for the first time. Tune in with us on the next episode of Lads Workshop, where we aim to take it out for the first test drive. See you then.